Euroload are a load monitoring specialist. We're based here in Aberdeen. We've been on this is actually our 10th anniversary this year. We attended the show last year and we were really excited about seeing so many industry professionals in one room. So we thought it would be a great opportunity for us to come and show off our load monitoring products and our new torque monitoring products as well.
Well, what I can see in front of me here is a kit which I believe has been kicking up quite the storm in the USA.
Yeah, this is our new torque verification kit. It's actually a wireless telemetry torque verification kit. So we've eliminated the need of having a cable from a computer or a handset to the torque verification tool.
And it's done wirelessly.
It's done wirelessly, yeah, using wireless telemetry with a radio signal. So we can now log and monitor torque verification readings on a laptop or a handheld unit from a safe distance when you're on the back of a vessel or whatever carrying out ROV subsea operations.
And why do you think it was proving so popular in the States?
I don't know. We sent a demonstration unit out to the US at the tail end of last year for a little tour around some clients in the US and for some R&D purposes, and we didn't actually get that unit back. They actually bought that unit, the first one that went out, and that customer's gone on to buy another further 2 units. So we'll have 3 units in use in the Gulf Coast of the States by the end of this month. So,
you mentioned the Gulf Coast of the States. What other projects do you imagine that the kit would be used in?
We really sort of envisage this being used primarily in the North Sea, UK and Norway because of the amount of ROV operations that's going on in subsea wellheads and things at the moment, because it's quite a buoyant sector. We didn't envisage the success we've had in the US, and that's been a real pleasant surprise, and that's kind of driven us forward to produce more units. We're going to be taking another 10 units in, and we're going to have rental stock available to go out in the UK, Norway, globally, if anybody's wanting these, as well as the units we're manufacturing for our clientele at the moment.
Well, it's always good to hear the instant appreciation and interest in the product that you put, a new product in the market.
It's been fantastic to have a new product and to spend, the last sort of year, 18 months in R&D and design and testing and things, for the first one to go out on a job and get such good positive feedback from a major company in the sector has just been absolutely fantastic.
What kind of companies are you hoping to meet here this week?
We are hoping to meet as many people interested in ROV tooling as possible, and also because we've got our other range of products that's used in daily and normal oil and gas type operations, heavy lifts and stuff from vessels and towing vessels, mooring systems. We're hoping to meet some new customers that we've never met before and catch up with some of our existing clientele.
Because obviously this is the start of the show, if you like.
This is, for us, this is the start of the show, yeah.
Well, I wish you every success. It's great to have you with.
That's great. Thank you very much. Cheers.